If you recall from the last video, we saw that we can use system.out.println to output data in the console. So whatever we put inside double quotes is known as a string. So this is a string. We learned that print outputs text on the same line, while println is used to output text on a new line. That being said, alternatively, we can use something called an escape sequence. So an escape sequence is a backslash followed by some character. And we'll talk about the most common ones here. So let's say we have a print statement that prints out 1, 2, 3, 4 in the console. So this is a print statement, prints out 1, 2, 3 from the console. And we need each character to be in the new line. So what we can do here is that we can use the escape sequence and we can say \n inside the double quotes, and this will print the rest on the new line. We can add a couple more and great. We have each character on new line. Now there is another one that is \t, which means tab. And this one just adds 4 new spaces, similar to what a tab does. And \b here, which just works as a backspace and removes the preceding character. And I honestly have no idea how is that even useful. And then there are these important ones. For instance, we want to print out double quotes look like this. So we want to print out double quotes in the console inside the print statement. But your Java compiler thinks that this is the end of the string, so it will essentially give an error. Because it says, okay, then string ends here, so what the hell is that? So what we can do here is just put out a backslash and then use this escape sequence to print out this double quote. Same goes for the single quote here. So this is what a single quote looks like, and this will just print out a single quote in the console. Similarly, we use 2 backslashes to print out 1, and this is also easy. And finally, this is my favorite part, \u. It represents Unicode escape representations, and it prints out character according to their character index. For example, \u039a, it prints out a Greek letter. It's called kappa. And \u2764 to print out a heart. So how cool is that? There's a whole table given, and you can just go and search in Google, and you can just print out any character you want in the console that is added in the character index. So this was just a brief introduction of what the escape sequences are, and hopefully it helps you out. I will see you guys in the next video where we'll talk about data types and variables in Java. Alright, thanks for watching.